राज्यसभा, जहां केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह इस वक्त दिल्ली से जुड़ा महत्वपूर्ण विधेयक पेश कर रहे हैं।
डॉक्टर अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी, सॉरी, no, good. I'll follow the procedure. Please bear with me. Please, no, Dr. Abhishek Singhvi. Sorry. Please take your seat. Dr. Abhishek Singhvi, you are holding the floor. Go ahead.
Honorable Chairman, sir. Honorable Chairman, sir. Honorable Chairman, sir. Members of this august House. Mic is on. Honorable Chairman, sir. Honorable members of this august House. As I rise to oppose this retrogressive bill, I ask why no government since 1992, when Delhi's special constitutional status was created, be it a BJP government or a Congress government, be it any other color of the political spectrum, be it the same political party, the centre and the NCT, or be it different parties, not one of them has tried to overrule two constitution bench judgments. Not tried to overrule two constitution bench judgments on the status. Please. The status of NCT. Why did no government create an authority where the Chief Minister of Delhi is in a minority? Why did no government empower two bureaucrats to overrule an elected Chief Minister? Why did no government make the Honorable LG, who is a constitutional figurehead except in three areas, into a super CM? And finally, why did no government make it available to the LG's powers to appoint heads of regulatory agencies, large number, all of Delhi, for Delhi, by Delhi, funded and budgeted by the NCT government, but the power of appointment of its heads is with the LG. Honourable members of this august House, this government and this bill has done it all. Something not done earlier. Friends, why was it not done earlier? Because unfortunately it is the fitrat of this control freak sarkar, whose vendetta, whose visiting card appears to be vendetta, whose identity badge is of a graceless and fuming electoral loser. Yes. Whose approach is to control by hook or by crook, usually more by crook and less by hook. Yes. So friends, make no mistake about it. As I will demonstrate shortly, this bill is completely unconstitutional. It is fundamentally anti-democratic. It is a frontal assault on the regional voice and aspirations of the people of Delhi. It violates all principles of federalism, all norms of civil service accountability, all models of assembly-based democracy.
तो राज्यसभा की तस्वीर आप देख रहे थे, जहां कांग्रेस पार्टी